conversation. Well, we're down to the last about 2 to 3 minutes of trade. So let's start wrapping what has been a really exciting day. Exciting in terms of individual stock action, news flow, and the fact that in terms of market capitalization, we hit the 300 lakh crore mark today. So quite a momentous session. For the Nifty as well, for what it's worth, we will get a close above the 19,400 mark. So slow and steady, it's already a 400-point rally from the time that we conquered peak 19K. The mid-cap market was really roaring, and that's the highlight of today's action. Large caps, very mixed trends, but really mid-caps is where the action was very, very evident today. And that tells you about the risk appetite, the mood, the sentiment in the market. Anyway, on the large cap screens, let's start first with the auto headlines. And auto is what the day was really all about. Bajaj Auto almost 6% after revealing what is extremely aggressive positioning in terms of pricing for the new Triumph for Bajaj variants. Hero Moto ends up with a gain of about 4% as well. By the way, both of these stocks at 52-week highs. Maruti launched an MPV. That stock crossing 10,000 momentarily. Final now count seems to be just below that level. Let's see if the adjusted close on Maruti will be 10,000 or not. But auto stocks really revved up. Then you had FMCG, HUL, ITC gains of 2% apiece on these stocks. Britannia, Nestle, Titan, Asian Paints. So you can see it's really FMCG as well as autos which have led from the front. Divi's is actually the Nifty winner of the day. It's not a big pharma rally, so to speak, but Divi's had a blowout move with a gain of almost 6%. What didn't perform too well on the large cap screen? Well, some of the financials, the HDFC Twins, HDFC Bank and HDFC seeing about a 3% cut apiece. Some profit taking on Tata Consumer, UPL. But how can one not mention Eicher? Because the gain that we've seen on Bajaj and Hero, well, quite a bit of that seems to be coming from Eicher. Between yesterday and today, Eicher Motors has lost almost 8%. So that is the extent to which the market has been shaken up, really, at least in terms of the stock market perspective. Of course, what happens with the bikes themselves, we have to wait and watch.
Eicher has lost a market capitalization of 9,000 crore rupees in a span of 2 trading sessions. But the mid-cap index came roaring back. The mid-cap index closes with a gain of 0.8%. Strong advanced decline ratio. The key winners include Samvardhan Motherson post the acquisition. Genus Power, top gainer, up close to about 20-odd%. And then you had an RBL Bank higher in trade. On the losing side, Stride, Suzlon, Dixon was under pressure. But out of time, okay, we'll slip into a very short break. We'll come right back.